How to sell digital products on Redbubble. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sell digital products on Redbubble. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to redbubble.com. And from this homepage of Redbubble, you can sign up or register or log in with your existing Redbubble account. And to sign up, kindly click the sign up button. And from here, you will give the two options to join Redbubble. The first option is customer sign up and the second is artist sign up. In which in artist sign up, you can set up a shop and start selling your design. While if you click or choose customer sign up, you can browse all marketplace and find the thing you want to purchase. And since we're going to sell digital products, I'm gonna choose this artist sign up. And below, all you need to do is to fill out all of this information, such as your email address, your shop name, and enter or create your own password. And please note that the email address that you enter is for business purposes and not for personal. After filling out all of this information, kindly proceed by clicking the red button that says Sign Up. And upon doing so, you will be directed in here. You are now on the dashboard of Redbubble. And as you can see below, you need to complete this step to open your shop and start selling your art. And you will also see all the benefits that this platform provides, such as you can create your own products in which you can upload your original art and choose products. And also, you can set up your own shop. You can customize your shop to stand out with your competitors. And it is great because customers love supporting original artists. And the original artwork that you create will serve as products of your own shop, in which you can get paid by selling your artwork in this Redbubble platform. All you need to do is to follow these steps, such as to add design, set up your shop, which is to add profile picture, add cover images, add social links, add a bio, and to get paid, add your email address and name, confirm your email and phone number, and add your payment details. And if you scroll down below, you will see the tips for new sellers, in which you can follow these steps to be successful sellers in this platform. The first step is to review your product pricing, since pricing plays a significant role in determining a new seller's competitiveness in the market. While the second tips is to advertise your products in off-site marketing, since it would help you to expand reach, increase visibility, diversification, or even a competitive advantage. While the other tips is to design the product, uploader 101, and help with payment setup. After following all of these steps, we can now proceed by clicking the red button that says Add New Work, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here. And from here, to add new work, you have two options, such as to upload new work from your computer or importing media files. Well, the second option is to copy an existing work, in which by uploading your work from your computer, the file requirements that recommended is a high resolution JPEG, PNG, or GIF files with a minimum of 1000 pixels resolution. Well, by choosing the option Copy an Existing Work, it will enable you to manage your own portfolio. But now I'm gonna choose to upload new work or import a media files from my computer. So just kindly click on it and select the files or media files that you want to upload. And after successfully uploading your files, you will visibly see it in here, in which under the Add New Work, you can select the language that you prefer. But in those language option, I'm gonna choose the English option, in which below, you're required to enter or customize your own title, including tags and description of your media files. And since what I upload is an advertisement poster, I'm gonna enter in this title, advertisement poster. And after that, the next thing that we need to customize or enter is the tags. So I'm gonna enter poster, ads, and business. And after that, we can now enter the description or the context that describe your work to get your audience excited. But I want to make it simple, so I'm just gonna enter or type business poster advertisement. And after filling out the description section, You will also see that you can customize the background color, which is located under the preview picture, in which by clicking on it, you can choose different kind of colors that you prefer as background color of your artwork. And after that, if you scroll down, you will see the product previews, in which it will show you what it looks like if your artwork has been printed in a different kind of items, such as this large print clothing, standard print clothing, in hats, A-line dresses, stickers and magnets, phone cases and skins, in desk mats, mousepad, pillows and totes, prints card and posters, and in any different kind of item. And it is important to have this preview because it visualizes how your product looks like when it is now an output of different kinds of items. And below these preview products, if you scroll down, you will be able to see the other details that need to be considered in creating or selling your artwork, in which under the media, you can select up to 2 categories. In those options, it includes photography, design and illustration, and many more. While below, you will see the collection section. And under default product in your shop, you can choose a specific product or items that you want to sell with your artwork. You can also customize who can view your artwork. You can choose anybody which is public or only you which is private. And let's say I want to choose the mugs as the product with my artwork. So kindly click on this and select the specific product that you prefer to sell. And after filling out all of the required information, the next thing that you need to do is to check this box if you agree to the terms and condition or agreement. And before to proceed, make sure that all of the data or information that you put is complete and encouraging to the eyes of the customers. And also, make sure to enable some of the preview products that is required to enable. And to do that, below the preview products, kindly click the green button that says Enable, in which it will also give the customers a variations or choices of what kind of product they want to purchase with the artwork or design that you originally created. And after that, we can now proceed by clicking the red button that says Save Work. However, if there's a notification after you hit Save Work, all you need to do is to go under the collection and default product in your shop. And instead of selecting a specific item, we can now proceed by clicking or selecting Optimize, which is recommended as default product in your shop. And after that, it will now enable you to save your work, in which upon clicking on the red button, it will show you that your artwork has now been processed. And after the processing completed, you will now go back to your dashboard and you will see the artwork that you just created. Here you will see the title and the preview product below. So that is just how to sell digital products on Redbubble. Thank you.